Hello friends, myself G. Gokul Kumar, education coach through APT web channel. So today we're going to discuss about what is the tricks and magic and shortcuts for 11th multiplication within the fraction of seconds. How can find out the answers? What's the need of a trick or magic or shortcut for any type of mathematical calculations? The only objective is to improve the time management. So nowadays, all the examinations we can say as the competitive examinations point of view. So the competitive examinations, each questions they will provide the time period of just 60 seconds. So within the 60 seconds, we try to solve all type of questions, right? So in the such a cases, we require the time management. That's why we go for such a videos. Yes, guys. So here we go for 11th multiplication with any number. It involves only three steps, right? So here we take the one example, 758. The first step is nothing but fix the zero, not adding the zero. Fix the zero in the first number or before the first number and end of the number, like shown in this diagram. So the given number is 758 into 11 multiplication. So the first step is nothing but fix the 0 in front is nothing but before 7, and the fix the 0 at the end is nothing but after the 8. So the same number become as the given number 758 has become as 0, 7, 5, 8 and 0. Right. Now we try to move to the second step. Second step simply summing the numbers from right to left in the screen. So right number is 0, the next number is 8, let's summing and go for this is the second step, and third step is the so on. The second the next number is 8, that is add with 5. Next number is 5, then add with the 7, and next number is 7, then add with the first 0. So this is a position we make it is the second and third step consecutively, and finally we get the answer as like the summing 0 plus 8 is nothing but 8, and 5 plus 8 is nothing but 3, we get the remainder 1. Again 5 plus 2 is nothing but 12, and plus 1 is become as a 13. Again remainder 1. 7 plus 0 is 7 plus 1 8. So the final answer is 8338. So this is a very fantastic way within the fraction of 20 and 30 seconds we can find out the answer. Next we go. Let me start for another example. Example 2, 3, 4, 5 into multiply by 11. So we have the involves of the calculation includes of three steps. The first step is nothing but fix the 0 and in front of the number and the end of the number shown in the slide. The 0 we fix in the in front of the number, and finally we put as another number. So 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0. The number is become as like this, right? Now we go first and second and third step consecutively, and it's adding the number from the right to left in the screen. So 0 plus 5 is the first one, and 5 plus 4, so on, the third step, right? And 4 plus 5, again 3 plus 4, again 2 plus 3, again we can say 0 plus 2, and go for it. Finally we go for the summing operation. 0 plus 5 is 5, 5 plus 4 is 9, 5 plus 3 is 7, and 3 plus 2 is 5, and 2 plus 0 become as a 2. So finally we get the answer for 2, 3, 4, 5 is multiplied by 11. The answer is 25795. Within the 25 to 30 seconds, we can find out the answer. So this is such a way you go for any digit number multiply by 11. Only three steps involved. The first step is fixing the 0 in front and finally, and second and third step is nothing but adding the numbers from right to left in the screen, and so on, and finally we get the answer. So this is the way of we can find out the answer for the 11th multiplication shortcut and magic. And hope you enjoy this as max, right? Such a questions we enjoy the max, and we try to interest on the max. So far and so far we can go for more number of shortcuts, and it may be useful for your competitive examination and day-to-day mathematical interest also. Thank you once again one and all. See any clarification in description, my number is there. Please send the WhatsApp and make the call to me. I'll give the clarity to you. Thank you guys.